You guys know about Dramamine, right? Dramamine is a motion sickness medicine over the counter. So if you're going on a plane or maybe you're going on a boat ride, you're going to get motion sickness. You're going to need a barf bag or you're going to need Dramamine. So what has been found out is that the barf bag is becoming obsolete because Dramamine exists. It's kind of a sad story. But they made a documentary. The Last Barf Bag. I want to play a clip.
Dear Dramamine, hello, my name is Bruce Kelly. I'm writing you on behalf of the barf bag community.
Have you ever used a barf bag before?
Never did. I used the ground.
Use the ground?
That's it. Just throw it up and that's it. You gotta blow in it first.
Every bag you see here is a different airline.
Wow.
So anyway, turns out that there is a market for people that collect these things. There is actually an air sickness bag virtual museum. This is, people have sent theirs in all over the place. The video we just saw shows people that have
Tons of them in their house for no reason.
that's what they wanted to start collecting back in the day. So here you can go random bag of the day. Oh, here's a list of the bags that are on this thing. Another random bag, Shandong Airlines. I guess if you refresh this, you get a different bag every time. It's pretty funny. And these are just bags that people have submitted. And this video also celebrates the graphic design of barf bags and even inspired Dramamine to create their own line of collectible barf bag products. And these are pretty cool. And they're funny. It's a stocking, it's a chef's hat, it's a puppet. So guess what I have for you, dear listeners? I have an unboxing. I have got a bag of
Barf bags.
Let's see what we got. Whoops. Well, look, they even sent me some Dramamine sickness pills for kids. They sent me, this one is a vase. So this bag can be used as a vase. This is not a barf bag. This is a popcorn bag. Not a barf bag. With Dramamine, you don't need a barf bag. So fill this with popcorn and go watch a movie. This is a chef's hat. And this one's upside down, which is kind of funny because you unfold it and it becomes a chef's hat. Ho, ho, ho. That's pretty funny. What else do we have? This is an envelope, like a mailing envelope. Looks like an airmail envelope. That's kind of funny. I like this one. And this one's another one of those upside down one. It's a puppet. With Dramamine, you may not need a barf bag. So turn it upside down, stick your hand inside, and use it as a hand puppet. I don't know, maybe. Maybe that works. It's a funny idea, though. This is not a barf bag. It's a glove? Okay, I could see that. Make useless barf bags useful. This is not a barf bag. It's a crack up. It's a cooler. You can use this as an ice cooler to chill your drink. Little penguin on there. He's kind of fun. It's a stocking, like a Christmas stocking. You can use this to decorate your home during the holiday season. Okay, I'll take that. It's a gift bag? Oh, of course. Yeah, you always need a gift bag around the house. In fact, we should have these all over the place. You can only see it in the camera, though. I need to switch to this one. Can you see that?
Nice.
This last one is my favorite. It's a coloring page. Make useless bags less useful. So stay inside the lines or don't. You're the artist. And it even came with a little box of crayons, a little pack of crayons. So you can hand it to your kids. They can color the llama. They can color the plane. They can fill in all the stuff. It's kind of fun. I like it when brands poke fun at themselves. It's fun. It's fun. And these, these aren't not useful. I mean, they could be useful. They're still barf bags. So you can still barf in them if you wanted to. But if you got Dramamine, you probably don't need to. Anyway, it's another fun thing. Everything is merch, right? That's the takeaway. Anything can be merch. That's what these are. So these bags are $5 each, or you can buy this assortment that I bought for $10. Oh, that's sold out now, but you can still piece it together. There's some that are sold out. Anyway, this puffer jacket was not on here when I bought these bags. I would have loved to have had this jacket. $7.50 for a barf bag puffer jacket. Man, that would have been cool. Anyway, man, that's terrific. Sorry I missed that one. I've got an office full of merch. Do I need anything else in here? I don't know. This engaging, humorous approach is praised as a welcome alternative to typical dry advertising. And that documentary, 15 minutes, it's pretty good. It's a lot better than you think it would be. I mean, Dramamine's got their own kind of tongue-in-cheek humor about what they do. I mean, that's what you have to do all day is you make motion sickness pills. It's really cool that people can have fun with what they do. That's all I have for that one. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you one more video. Sorry. How's it? Over here? It's over here. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you 2 more videos right here. Pick one of those. What a mess. What a deal. End.